How to set who can tag you on X. If you don't want anyone to tag you in posts on X, you can change this in the settings. The process is really simple and won't take much of your time. Let's get started. Open the X app on your phone. Find the profile icon in the top left corner and click on it. Then click on the arrow next to Settings and Support at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and press on Settings and Privacy. Find and open Privacy and Safety. The first option is the one we need. Click on Audience and Tagging. Then press on Photo Tagging. A window with 3 options will open. If you choose the first option, everyone can tag you. If you want only people you follow to tag you, choose the second option. The third option off means that no one can tag you. Choose the option you prefer. And that's it. Like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos.